Hey Manate. Hey, anyone else? I'm just out for a walk with Clara, who is hiding from the little sprinkles of rain in here. We were doing a workout in the living room. Postpartum, pregnancy and postpartum TV. That chick does great workouts. HIIT style workouts, I think they're called, where it's 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. And she does yoga too. But I couldn't do any more squats. So I thought, seeing as I'm already sweaty, I would come out here and go for a walk in the park near my mom's house, which I love and will miss a lot when I'm home. The river is down there, and beautiful trails through the woods here. It's great. Yeah, so I wanted to record this beauty so that I can look back on it and acknowledge how beautiful this park is. When I go home, I'm going to show you guys my lactation smoothie recipe. Okay, as promised, this is my lactation smoothie. I was telling you guys on my last video, my milk didn't come in right away, and getting my supply up has been kind of a struggle for me. So this is the smoothie I am making that I think is helping. So this is what I'm going to be using. Moringa powder, and it pretty much tastes like grass, but I noticed a substantial improvement in my milk supply as soon as I started using it. Flax, hemp and chia seeds, spirulina powder, brewer's yeast, oat milk, a banana, some mixed frozen fruit, and some yogurt. Okay, so you can use any kind of frozen fruit you like, or you don't have to use any frozen fruit at all. But I like my smoothies to be milkshakey. So this is dragon fruit, mangoes, pineapples, and bananas. And then I've got a ripe banana here. No need to add any sweetener if your banana is ripe like this. The yogurt is also sweetened because it's flavored Greek yogurt. I'll put that in now. My sister got this magic bullet for Christmas and I use it all the time. It's awesome. Okay, flax. This is something you'll see recommended everywhere for increasing lactation. It's in all those lactation cookies and things, lactation brownies, lactation whatever you're making. Hemp and chia seeds. I have these because can't hurt. Full of healthy fats, which I think is really good for milk production. Brewer's yeast. This is the debittered kind. Oh, someone's waking up. Bounce, 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 bounce. Spirulina, because all things green are good for you and good for milk production. Spinach and stuff too, you could add that in. Oh, don't wake up. Now, I go so far as to add a heaping tablespoon of this sometimes, but it's really bitter. Oh no! 1 second. Okay, I don't know how much time I have before she freaks out. I took her out of the carrier and put her in her bouncy chair. Oat milk. Oat is something else that is recommended to breastfeeding moms to increase lactation. Oatmeal. You can put oats right in your smoothie. I recommend not trying to balance the sweetness of the moringa powder, the bitterness of the moringa powder with something sweet. I did that the other day. I added a bunch of agave syrup thinking I can load this up with moringa powder and then just put something to sweeten it, and that will make it more palatable. And it was like spraying air freshener after you've wrecked the bathroom. It just layered flavors on top of one another in a way that wasn't very delicious. Okay, smoothie contents, there. Magic bullet, good. Give this a stir, get some stuff stuck to the bottom. When I used to make smoothies in the blender, I always had way too much. Like I'd make these, you know, I'd add things, like, oh yeah, I want this in it, I want this in it, I want this in it. And I'd end up having like 2 liters of smoothie. So that's what this is so great for. Okay guys, that's my lactation smoothie recipe. It's not so bad. It's healthy tasting, but it's not terrible tasting. And it works. It's working for me.